Hey guys, how are you doing? And today I'm going to show you a sneaker which you probably haven't heard about, but it is very cool sneaker in my opinion. It is Nike Air Flare. Now, it was originally released in 1994, but in February 2015 it made a return and have not been retroed ever since. This is white on black colorway, and this is one of the things that I really love about this sneaker, is this black top on white. I think it gives it like such a contrasting look, especially if you wear black jeans with black sock, and it just like, I don't know what about it. It just looks great in my opinion. Now, the top of the sneaker features white leather as well as black suede and black mesh on the top. It also features a Nike Air unit on the heel and round lacing system. It has a zigzag pattern of the support on the top, the mesh tongue which is actually connected inside, which makes it a very comfortable sneaker to wear. Even though it looks like a retro basketball shoe, it is actually a tennis shoe, which I was actually surprised about when I found out about this sneaker. This shoe is actually really hard to find, especially in a normal sizing like 9.5, 9, 10, etc. It's not like that the prices are too high or anything, it's just so rare that like it's really hard to find on the internet any pairs to buy. So I was looking for this sneaker for a while now, and finally I got it in my hand for actually fairly cheap. I got it for I think $65 in a used condition from go.com, and yeah, it does show signs of wear and tear, some fading, the air unit is not translucent no more, etc, and that's exactly why I figured I'm just gonna restore it and it's gonna look brand new again. That is actually gonna be my next video on Friday, so stay tuned for that. Like the video, subscribe, bell button and everything so you don't miss out on the restoration of this iconic shoe. Now yeah guys, it was a really quick overview of a shoe which probably most of y'all never heard about, but I thought it was really interesting to show you this sneaker because I really believe the uniqueness should be praised, and this is a really rare shoe and it looks amazing in my opinion. I was hunting for it for a while, and now when I actually got it, I thought I'm just gonna share it with you, you know? And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.